App tutorial for walk-in customer.
First, fill in customer's name, phone number, email, plate number, and chassis number. Click Continue. Choose customer's vehicle's brand and model. NGV kit system type. Then, select date and customer's preferred time slot. Click Save. Upload vehicle's grand image, front car image, side car image, rear car image. Next, upload vehicle image with NGV system and plate number in frame. Once done uploading, click Create Work Order. Job status will be updated to In Progress. Select number of NGV cylinders installed. Under a job sheet, assign a mechanic, in charge and a bay. For an item, choose according to vehicle. Under NGV Assembly Checklist, upload vehicle image before removal with NGV cylinders, engine and electronics in frame. Once NGV dismantling job is done, upload vehicle images post-removal. And NGV equipments that has been removed from vehicle. Click Complete. Click the JCT button at the top right of the page and you may review the JCT form generated. For the final step, click Invoice button at the bottom of the page. All invoiced and in progress jobs can be reviewed under work order. Thank you for watching.